Hi guys, it's me Anvika. I put water in some. I put batter in here. I found some batter and put some water in. Now I'm putting it into the mold. Let's do it. When you're doing these are button iglees. When you're doing button iglees, remember do not put too much. Just put a little bit. So it doesn't, because I messed up on this one. Look at that. That looks so crazy. I guess this is pretty good. Now let's go to the next. Here's the bigger ones. I'm going to use a bigger spoon to do the big one. Right now, I'm using the small one because I'm going to eat Idli with my dad. So it's more like that. Ooh, this one is going good. It's okay if you mess up. So that doesn't matter. So I don't care. Oh my gosh, there's too many. It's like 4 already. Ooh! That was a lot. Okay guys, remember I make mistakes too because it's my first time. What happened? No. Again at the second part. Now I put all of them in. Now let's do the big one. Now I have a bigger spoon than you, which is perfect. And it's okay because this is big anyways. So it's easy for me. Oi. Oops. That's a mistake. Okay, with grapes, so I can do one. And the bowl is dead. You're a little bitter. And take a while. Just look at her. Whoa. So I've done this one. Now let's go to the next one. So I'm doing this, I'm done with this, now I'm doing the next one. Ta-da. Let's go. Now I'm done with this one, now let's go to the next one, the last one. Oh no, I'm running out of batter. What am I gonna do? I'm running out of batter. Oh no, I have a little bit left. Okay, so now I'm going to stack this up on this. There, it's stacked. You see these bottom ones. I haven't done those yet because that's enough right now. It is kind of jiggleish. Now the button igly. There's a lot of that. You can see, you might peek through. You see a few there. You see? But here you can't see. And you already can see all these button iglees. So let's get baking. Fourth part. We're gonna put a pot here, put water, and turn on the stove. If you need help, ask parents for help. Right now we're just gonna turn it on. Now we're gonna put some water. You see, it's gonna heat up. It's heating up. You use your hand carefully because if you're a kid, it might be dangerous. So you do it carefully. Now you put this in. I'm not even doing it because I I need help. I don't know how to do it. So that is it. So the idli is cooking. We're gonna put the lid, and in 15 minutes we'll check it out. Let's do it. I'll see you in 15 minutes. See you later. Timer's up. Let's check on our idlis. It looks like they steamed it. When I use the fork, nothing is sticking. Oh my gosh, that's broke. So I'm not even good.
Taste it.
I usually eat idli with sugar. It's so hot. Let's give it 2 minutes, and in 2 minutes we'll put on the plate. And I'm gonna eat with sugar. But my parents told to put the stand here. It looks steamy. I'm gonna use a spoon now. Oh my gosh, you see, it's getting steamed on me. So what I'm gonna do is my dad is using a nap. Whoa.
Scoop it.
Oops, what? Squeeze my hands. Oh, it's a bleeding. It's kind of funny. Wait. Napkin, please. I said napkin, please. I'm doing it now, but I can't exactly do it. Oh my gosh, this is hard. Oh my thought. Bop. Bop. It's taking a while, so let's use a snip. There, we made a flour. Now we have some sugar here. So that's my video. Watch more videos of mine. Bye.